Mother Phonics. A says A, D says D, A, D, add. Repeat with me. A says A, D says D, A, D, add. A says A, D says D, A, D, add. B says B, B, A, D, bad. S says S, S, A, D, sad. L says L, L, A, D, lad. M says M, M, A, D, mad. D says D, D, A, D, dad. G, L, gl, G, L, A, D, glad. P says P, A, D, pad. A says A, G says G, A, G, ag. Repeat with me. A says A, G says G, A, G, ag. A says A, G says G, A, G, ag. F, L, L, F, L, A, G, flag. B says B, B, A, G, bag. H says her, H, A, G, hag. G says G, G, A, G, gag. T says T, T, A, G, tag. S says S, A, G, sag. W says W, A, G, bag. Thank you. Mother Phonics, give your child lifetime love of reading and live writing. Lifetime love of reading and live writing.